This beautiful property is on the market with Keystones and you need to have a look inside. Ahmed, do you fancy a drink?
Not when I'm working.
Totally fair. But this area, imagine when you have friends around how cool it would be for hosting. Welcome to the front of the house. This cozy living area is very well thought out. This area over here can be used as a sitting space, but the TV pops out as well. This warm and welcoming space can be used as a lounge area, a dining area. I have to say though, the floor has been done to such a good standard as well. Everything about it is just very warm, cozy and very well thought out as well. Every inch of this kitchen has been beautifully designed with the highest spec. And we also have a utility area over there for extra storage space. This extremely pleasant garden has two spaces to catch the sun. You've got this lovely space over here and one behind you as well. Also, the garden has a back access with a workshop space and also a garage as well. It's lovely and just the perfect garden for hosting. As we come up to the first floor, you have a large bathroom and two really good sized bedrooms as well. Everything is decorated beautifully. You've got lots of space on this hallway. This cozy third bedroom has one of my favourite bathrooms in the whole house. Oh, Ahmed, you caught me mid-session. But as you can see here, this room can be used for all sorts of things. As a jamming session, as an office area, as a fourth bedroom. Totally up to you. But one thing I love about it is the natural light you get from these huge windows. Just check it out, Ahmed. If you're interested in this property, do not hesitate. Book a viewing with us now. And do us a favour, hit that subscribe button.